Assalamualaikum and very good day to panel. I am Muhammad Habibullah bin Masri and today I will present about final project regarding application of machine learning and artificial intelligence in oil and gas industry by specific in drilling operation. This project is guided by my supervisor, Madam Shuhada binti Jafri. The study is provided an overview of current approach to artificial intelligence and their application in liquid drilling design. It also disclosed and investigated each artificial intelligence approach for its future and pitfalls. The assessment was complete by using accompanying excellent as essential measures, commotion power, self-union, and circulation capability, and last but not least, the amount of information and speed of assembly. The artificial intelligence approach included in this research are artificial neural network organization, support vector machine, hybrid insightful frame, genetic algorithm, and last but not least, fuzzy logic. The artificial neural network strategy was grouped to be the most generally employed in drilling equation, representing more than 55% of the papers examined. Also, it was found to be better every computer-based intelligence strategy used separately to artificial intelligence technologies. For the problem segment for this project, the drilling industry is a technology-based industry, since they need the massive investment to spend every day. It is considered to be most costly operation in the world. Therefore, during the pre-post planning of process of any activity, all sort of equipment that can increase the drilling practice procedure at minimum costs are appropriate and necessary to the operation. To the objective for this project to reliably predict possible performance variables that contribute to success of real-time drilling in terms of time, safety, and drilling practice adopted. Second, increasing protection of drilling operation to decrease drilling costs. Next is scope of research for the project. First, the oil and gas industry may use computer-based intelligence in this manner to test the potential effect of the new undertaking or uncertain the natural danger of another task. Next is oil and gas industry also use artificial intelligence to make the information utilized for oil and gas investigation. Next is in situ checking of drilling stream track costs utilizing artificial intelligence. There's a lot of activity in the drilling operation, so I choose one of example of drilling activity in the drilling operation. For the pros and cons intelligent model developed for the prediction loss circulation event, for the first researcher, Jahan Bakshi, the method used is artificial neural network. The outcome is geomechanical parameter based artificial neural network model show a better result compared that geochemical that not use artificial intelligence. So the pros and cons for this researcher use artificial intelligence are for the pros, the developed model is simple and applicable for industrial purpose. Next is show the effect of both geomechanical effect on the fluid loss. For the cons, they need require large of data set for the prediction. Need to update model for every new field. For next researcher is arguing also use one of kind artificial neural network, ANFIS, for a comparison predicted data error percentage is calculated for various formation. It depicts FYP prediction error less than data mining approach prediction error. For the pros and cons for this literature, provide a new approach for future development. For the cons, also require a large of input parameter or data, require a more data set for precise prediction. Next is Moazeni. And last but not least is Moazeni. Also use artificial neural network for predict correctly the low mark loss region but shows error in case several loss prediction. For the pros and cons, provide the fluid loss amount in the combination with fluid loss severity level. For the cons, exclusive developed for one. Next is comparative study of various AI technique done by previous researcher. For the first researcher is Oladoni and Trafford. The study conduct is predicting fluid flow pattern in wellbore and analysis. It requires 92 data points to complete this research. So they use artificial neural network and support vector machine for compare the criteria for data that used for this study. For the next researcher also require a lot of data points, require 339 data for their research, and also use artificial neural network and support vector machine. For this one, for the researcher one, the data that they use is maximum absolute percent of relative error. Next is root mean square error, and last but not least is correlation effect of R2. For the below researcher, they show you they need a lot of data for the complete the study and got the precise data for the artificial intelligence. Next is application to the oil and gas industry. Current trend in artificial information AI. Based on all research, many of them mention that AI is the cost effective. According to Melin, Mesker, and Tu and Behani, AI2 are cost effective. Artificial neural network, for example, has the advantage of execution speed. Once the network has been trained, training the system with dataset rather than writing program may be more cost effective and convenient when the change become vital. So these researchers show the advantage by using the artificial neural network, the work can be fast while they use them. For the next researcher is Agu. Also in his research, AI methodology in the oil and gas industry has been employed by different segments in the petroleum industry. Its technique and application have significantly impacted numerous applications, leading to time saving, minimizing risk, saving costs, improving efficiency, and solving many optimization problems. Artificial neural network can be categorized as high value and low cost tool model in modeling, simulation, control, condition monitoring, sensor validation, and fault diagnosis of different systems, says Hacking. In conclusion, it shows that all cases want to decrease the cost by using artificial intelligence. For figure 1, it shows you that artificial intelligence application in drilling system design and operation. First is well planning, second is pattern recognition, Third is drilling optimization. Four is procedure decision taking. Five is well integrity, and last but not least is operational troubleshooting. Next is a layout. For example, how artificial neural network work in this case. This example, I choose a drill bit selection, and they need input data such as geological data, rock mechanic, oil drilling data, and location data, and put into the system, and they can get the output by bit type, performance prediction, and operating guideline. To conclude all the project, the main advantage of the use of artificial intelligence tools for the planning, optimizing, and addressing problems in drilling process is in logical decision making, the ground based exclusively on recorded fact. In the field of drilling evaluation, either in the model comparison or in the field test, the overall result on implementing artificial neural network, drilling tool, genetic algorithm, and support between measures were very encouraging and demanding nowadays. The artificial intelligence may use nowadays because we in the IR 4.0. So in the future, all the application or sector in this industry need to use technology based for their work. So that's all for me. Thank you.